This is why we van life. Sure, we could hop on a plane, fly anywhere we want to go, stay in a hotel, and be able to travel around the country, even the world, but we choose to do it out of a camper. Now, there are a lot of reasons why. First and foremost, we do what we call a roaming reunion. That's when we travel around the country, we find friends and family along our route and come and stay for a few days. That's exactly what we're doing here in Southern California, visiting my mom and aunt for a little bit and seeing how my mom has been recovering from her lung cancer surgery. Well, here she is, Miracle Woman again.
Hey, hi everybody. You don't know how wonderful. I got so many messages on the YouTube station. Thank you. I'm doing so well. My only thing is breathing. Got to get my breath to go upstairs and stuff.
Well, we've already done what, 2 miles?
A little bit more.
And we've got to go back 2 miles. I apologize for all the wind, but I figured you guys would want to say hi to Mom while we were out at the beach.
Oh, I wanted to say hi to you.
So as you can see, my mom is doing a lot better. Now, another reason we love bringing our camper to see friends and family is that we don't have to worry if they have a spare bedroom. We don't have to worry if they're going to be home the whole time. We can live out of our camper. We've got all our own stuff in there, our own amenities, bed, bathroom, shower, whatever we need. So it makes seeing friends and family a lot more convenient. Okay, now that we've seen friends and family here in Southern California, it's time to get on the road and experience some of the other joys of van life. Well, we've been on the road for a few hours and it's lunchtime. Another thing we love about van life is when you get someplace, you're hungry, whatever, just pull over and make yourself a meal.
Well, what would you like to have for lunch?
I think we just heat up some of the leftovers we have.
Okay. Got some blueberries, a little tzatziki, and leftovers. Anything else you want out of the fridge?
No, I think that's good.
Okay. Have some leftover kebab. Pork. There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh, I will. That was good, thank you.
It was good. Now we gotta get back on the road. Friends to see.
All right, we've made it to our friend's house. Get to spend a night of drinking wine and hanging out with some cool people. Had a little visitor this morning. Tiger decided to come in and check out the van while I was starting to get things prepped for coffee. But we had a lot of fun last night. We went out in wine country with our friends, had a great dinner, a little wine, came back to the house, hung out for a while. Again, just great to be able to see friends. And after we're done for the evening, we come back to our home.
Good morning. It's a great morning.
It is. Oh man, I will say it was pretty peaceful out here last night.
Yeah?
Thank you.
You bet.
Cheers.
The roosters didn't wake you up?
No, they kind of did. I said last night, not this morning. Okay, so we're making a video about what we love about van life. What's one thing you love about your van or van life when you're traveling?
When I think about van life, the thing that comes to my mind is one word: freedom.
Mm.
So what I know that's used a lot, but it truly means a lot to me. It's where I can separate from what I do in my work life. I can completely separate and disconnect. I can go anywhere that I like. And when I'm out there, I can leave all that behind and just look to the future and have everything in front of me. It's new, fresh, no stress. It just opens up my life. I love it.
Man, that was quite profound. You must have already had your coffee. I haven't gotten there yet.
I've had one cup already. Yeah.
Nice.
That's it. Freedom.
So Kate's in there packing up, and Keith and Wee Wee gave us some wines along with these beautiful olives that they actually make. They have olive trees on the property, chicken eggs, and some homemade olive oil from one of their friends. So I'm really looking forward to that.
We're all set, and now we can go explore some local hot spots that they recommended. First stop on our journey today is Cal E Farms. According to Keith and Wee Wee, they have very good dried fruit, so I'm excited to check it out.
I think Keith inspired me where van life is all about the journey, not necessarily the destination. When you're flying someplace, it's all about the destination. So we really love seeing what's between A and B on our travels.
Let's go see if they have good stuff.
Okay, I've got my wallet.
That's the thing, it's always a gamble too. You never know if it's any good, but gotta try it. So excited. Got some jumbo nectarines and apples. What do you want to try first?
Ooh, nectarines.
If these are good, there's a bigger bag. We can buy more. All right. Ooh, that looks good.
It does.
Mmm. That tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we should soak some of these in vodka.
That's a fantastic idea.
Besides checking out really cool destinations like roadside fruit stands, another thing that we love about van life is just checking out all the cool events that are going around throughout the country as we're traveling.
And we just arrived at the Adventure Van Expo in Placerville, California. This field behind me is going to be the general camping for the show. So we'll get to meet a lot of new people, reconnect with some old friends, and just have a good old time this weekend.
This is how you van life right here.
Yes, it is. If you can't tell, we're having a good time at the Adventure Van Expo.
This is Emma and Jason,
Hello,
the RACONTOURISTS.
Joe Russo, Kate Russo.
Getting ready for some pulled pork tacos.
Eat up, you guys. Grill's hot. Let's throw some tortillas on it.
I turned the grill off.
I just put it back on.
Okay. Well, you know, somebody's got their head on their face.
I told you to turn it off. But yeah, here, throw some of those on there.
That was a fun event. Man, I had a good time. Lots of good food, great people, met new friends. There were live bands, overall great time. I think that was one of the best Adventure Van Expos so far for me. You? Did you have a good time?
I did.
You did. Kate was a party animal. Good job, Mama. We made it to Portland and we're gonna go see some friends. I took the bike off the van and I'm gonna go for a ride while Kate drives. I love doing this. We've been to some amazing places and Kate will stop at a rest stop or a little pool out. I'll take the bike off, I'll go enjoy the mountain roads and she gets some time to herself in the van. So it works out for both of us.
Have a good ride.
I will. Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, so here's the part where I tell you why we're in the Portland area. So another thing Kate and I really love about van life is sometimes you do want to get on a plane and just fly somewhere. So a van is very easy to store, park at an airport, in a friend's barn, wherever, and then hop on a plane and go somewhere. So we are gonna fly home for a few weeks, check on the homestead. I've got to do some mowing, but the van will be nice and secure in here. And our friend is also a van lifer. He's got his storyteller beast mode out there, and that's how we all met. So it's a nice, close-knit community, and there are a lot of cool people that we've really connected with. That said, it is time for us to get packed up. We're gonna have dinner with our friend, and then tomorrow morning, we're catching a flight back to Indiana. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna see more cool content, where do they go?
Head over to our website, we'retherussos.com.
And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
再见。